Hello everyone, it's Stephanie Manley with Copycat.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make the Outback Steakhouse honey mustard dressing. It's delicious. You can use it on salads, dunk some chicken nuggets in it, or you can enjoy it with french fries. This stuff is so easy to make and it takes just minutes to make. You're going to spend longer measuring out the ingredients than you are making it. So I know you want to know what the secret is to the Outback Steakhouse honey mustard dressing, and it's really just 3 ingredients. We're going to start with 1.5 cups of mayonnaise. To this, we're going to add about 1/2 cup of honey, and then we're going to use about 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard, and that's it. So I already have the mustard measured out in this bowl here, and then we're simply going to add in our honey and our Dijon mustard and give this a stir. It's that easy. If you like, you can use light mayonnaise if you want something that's a little bit lower in fat. And some people like to dial up the Dijon mustard just a little bit more. Next, we're simply going to stir this up. And you can see this has the look and texture of just like the Outbacks. Now this will last in your refrigerator for about up to 10 days, so you could have this recipe if you like, or you can go ahead and make it full. But you can see that's it for this delicious salad dressing. I'm going to show you what it looks like placed on a salad. Now it's time to try the salad, but before I do, check out this card right here. I have the Outback Steakhouse recipe for their blue cheese vinaigrette. It's also super simple to make, and I know you're gonna love it. So let's go ahead and dive in and give this a try. Now I just have this on a simple spinach salad with some feta cheese. I got the tanginess from the mustard and a little bit of the honey. This is a great salad dressing. And you saw how quickly you can put this one together. Now again, so a couple variations you could make to this. One, you can use a light mayonnaise if you want to reduce the amount of fat in here. You could add a little bit more Dijon mustard if you like it to be a little bit sharper. Now, you could also add in a little bit of red wine vinegar if you wanted to dial up the acidity in the salad dressing. I personally think it's fine just like it is, and I hope that you find it a new favorite of yours. Do me a favor, if you haven't already, subscribe so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos, and also drop me a comment down below of what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.